I don't think people understand just how crucial preventing cross-contamination is for vegan food. Let's break it down together. Vegan cross-contamination happens when animal products sneak into vegan food during preparation. This can be a big issue, affecting both trust and health. First, identify your hotspots. Shared equipment, utensils and surfaces. These are the danger zones where cross-contamination can easily occur. Next, set up separate prep stations and use dedicated utensils for vegan dishes. Colour-coded tools can make it a breeze to keep things separate. Training your staff is key. Regularly educate everyone on the importance of preventing cross-contamination and the steps they need to take. Don't forget about clear labelling. The Food Standards Agency recommends clear labels to indicate vegan status and potential cross-contamination risks. This not only keeps you compliant, but also builds trust with your customers. Remember, Natasha's Law now requires detailed ingredient lists and allergen info on prepackaged foods. Even though it's not vegan specific, it highlights the importance of transparency. By preventing cross-contamination, you're not just protecting health, you're showing respect for your customers' choices and building a strong, trustworthy brand. So keep those vegan items clean and separate and watch your reputation soar. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.